What's going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. This is a quick video. I made this today. Probably didn't edit it. I dropped it today. Again, probably didn't edit it. Is this a stock market crash or is this a correction? Roll that intro. Alright, guys. Now, down to the bottom line. A lot of stocks dropped today. You want to know, is this an upcoming stock market crash? Like, is this a sign of a soon coming market crash? Now, in my opinion, first of all, I do have a video on the stock market crash of 2021. I don't think it is yet. I think we have a lot more drama to figure out in the market before this happens. I do think it'll happen late 2021. Go watch that video. But right now, what I've seen is just a very hard correction and a pop back up to support of what stocks should actually be at. Because lately there's been tons of inflation in the market. And as you probably know, what goes up must come down. We've seen for a very long time record high numbers in the market this year, last year. So the market has been very crazy, very volatile. And this correction can lead to a way bigger correction just because of small investors panic selling. They may miss this video or they may not trust themselves. They let their emotions get ahead of them. The best thing you can do in these types of situations is don't look at your portfolio, or if you have to, don't be scared. Don't sell off. All right, selling off is a big mistake. Eventually, it'll build itself back up, even if it was a crash. But I don't think that's the case. If anything, today was definitely a buy day for everybody. As you see, I'm going to pull up these pictures right here. But as you see in these stocks like Bitcoin, Riot Blockchain, Mara Blockchain, Tesla, they all sink and go back up. It's like a V. Market opens, GME, Bitcoin, blockchains, Tesla, all like every stock, SLRX. I've seen a bunch of stocks have the same exact pattern on market opening. This V you see is a drop, and that would have been perfect buy time to spike back up. And I've seen this with a lot of stocks. Some stocks, the V is not level on each side. So that's what I was saying before. These stocks are going back to what their support should be at and what their value should be at instead of being inflated for so long. Because having inflation for so long is going to make the stock drop whether you like it or not. What it's valued at is what it's valued at, and that's it. Do I think this stock market correction could impact a market crash, could cause it to happen? Definitely think so. All right, guys, focus on who's panicking, okay? Watch these big investors, and if they're not saying anything, chances are they don't care. Not that they don't care, but they don't see a market crash, because obviously they have loads of money, more than us small investors do. And it's more of the small investors, the billions, panicking, seeing that drop, selling off, causing it to drop more. So this correction you see is actually correcting and then can dig itself more. And that's when you see the spike. So yeah, guys, I don't think this is a market crash. If anything, I think it's just a correction. What I did strategically from here, I just bought a little bit today. And yeah, don't let your emotions get ahead of you. A red day is a red day. A bad red day for everybody is definitely alarming, and definitely look up news and whatever you got to do to make yourself feel better. But I don't think this is the market crash. I think we will have a market crash, and you should be prepared. And this is not financial advice. This is all in my opinion. I'm just a YouTuber here to educate you. And it would help very much if you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Go watch this stock market crash video, because you don't want to miss that for when it does happen. You're going to be like, Forget about that. I made that video, and this market crash is going to happen, and then you're going to be sorry. So go watch that video. Thank you guys for everything you do. This is just a quick video. Hit that subscribe button. Lottery Stocks out.
You hoping where I get you shot like a movie skit. One shot, he drop like a hooligan. How we gon' get to this bag when we focus on gunplay, but trapping is all that we got. All of us gon' make it one day like church.